Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to calculate this area of this trapezium. All the values are given in surds. So let's start. So we are asked to calculate the area. So it's preferable for us to start by writing the formula of area of a trapezium. So this is 8. So the formula of area of a trapezium is base 1 plus base 2 times the height, all divided by 2. So this is the formula. So we can call this base 1, base 2, and here height. So we can substitute the values. So A will be equals to base 1, which is root 32, plus base 2, which is root 18, times the height. The height itself, this is the height, is root 8. So times root 8. Can divide by 2. So we can open the bracket by multiplying. So if we multiply, we are going to have A, we are going to have normal bracket, we are going to have root 32 times root 8 plus root 18 times root 8. So root 18 times root 8, all divided by 2. Next, if we apply the rules of surd, one of the rules say if you have root A times root B, root A times root B is equal to root A times B. So we have root A times B. So we can just multiply and put the square root. So if we multiply 32 times 8, 32 times 8, 32 times 8 will give us 256. 256 plus 18 times 8. 18 times 8 will give us 144. Then we have to divide it by 2. So if we go further, the square root of 256 is the same as 16, plus the square root of 144 is 12, all divided by 2. So if we add them up together, we are going to have 28 divided by 2. What is 28 divided by 2? Is 14. So it means the area A is 14 meter square. Okay, so there are some questions in which you're not going to have perfect root when you multiply them. So let us look at another method of solving this question. So let us use a second method. So for the second method, we are going to work out the bracket first. So we are going to have, I'm just going to be a little bit fast. Here we have base 2, just write base 2 first. 18 is all the same, plus base 1, which is 32, times the height, which is root 8, all divided by 2. So we can simplify the bracket first. So A, we know that root 18, if we look for perfect square numbers, root 18 is the same as we can use a perfect square number, which is 9. 9 times root 2. And in 36, the perfect square number, in 32, the perfect square number is 16. So 16, we can go with 16 times 2 as well. 16 times 2. With 16 times 2 root 2. So and root of if the perfect square number is 4, we are going to have 4 root 4 times root 2. Okay, so divided by 2. If we move further, the square root of 9 is 3, so we are going to have 3 root 2 plus 16 is 4, 4 root 2, 4 root 2 times 2 root 2, all divided by 2. So if we add the values in the bracket together, this is 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2 will give us 7 root 2. So this will be the same as 7 root 2 times 2 root 2 divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 can cancel up. We'll be left with 7 times root 2 times root 2. So we are going to have 7. Root 2 times root 2 is root 2 times root 2 is root 4, and root 4 is 2. So 7 times 2. So root 2 times root 2 is 2. So the answer is still the same, 14 meters square. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.